I offered my unqualified apology to the President for any hurt and misconception that my words may have created. I hereby reiterate that apology to the President and my fellow Kenyans. Despite that apology, I have continued to receive a barrage of personalized attacks from people with personal and political scores to settle with me. Whereas I have no problem with politicians taking opportunity to revive their dead or collapsing political careers, I am troubled that they are doing it in a manner that is designed to create a rift between myself and the President, with whom I enjoy excellent relations, and who is indeed one of the 72,000 voters from Gatundu South who are my de facto employers. Even more ominous is a very long misconception that has been created that I'm opposed to the Building Bridges initiative and the handshake. I've been very consistent in supporting the BBI, and I have traversed many parts of this country, including Kakamega, Homa Bay, and Kisumu.